Hello everyone, I'm live here in Miami at the Aesthetic Management Partners Owners Summit 2024, and I am here with Tom Goslau from
Estar Medical.
Estar Medical. And we are so excited because when I get back to the UK, I'm going to be launching brand new Cellenis PRP to our patients. Now, Mr. Goslau, I've actually had facial injectables, treatments that I've been carrying out since 2010, all with hyaluronic acid. And I love my patients, I love my results, and I'm constantly looking for the next best thing. So in 14 years, I've never changed and evolved my filler practice up until now. So I'm really excited because I believe in this product, I believe in the system, and I'd love you to tell our patients why, because this is 100% coming from within ourselves.
Exactly. I think that's the key thing that every patient would love about this is that it's 100% autologous, meaning it's coming from their body and going back into their body. And it's based on something that's very well known already, PRP in medicine and orthopedics and in aesthetics for more than 20 years, even longer than that. Everyone knows that the platelets, when they're taken out of the blood, and all the growth factors that are there, and all the benefits of working with that. So what we're doing is just starting with PRP, it's coming from the patient's blood, and then we take that PRP and we turn it into a gel that the platelets are then put back into, and then you can inject that just like you would any other filler. So you have volumization, but the most amazing thing about it is that you have this gel that then stays there and it's sustained in the area where you inject it, and the platelets are sustained within that. So you get this long-term benefit of the platelets. You see people I see skin improvement 12 months or longer where it's been injected. Even if the volumization has gone down a little bit after 6 months, those platelets are still there. They're still doing their job. And so this is something I think these days where patients are so much more interested in stuff that's really natural or truly from them, from their own body and using the benefits of their own body. I think this is something that's really interesting, given what patients want these days.
It's groundbreaking because you're really getting on the topic of what patients are looking for, what I'm looking for. And if I can autologously make my own filler, which is essentially this, I'd be very happy to use that in my own face.
Yeah, and me too.
And do you know what? I only bring topicals and treatments and things that I would have onto my own face. So I've waited 14 years for this. This is groundbreaking. I'm so excited to bring this to Beaconsfield. I've actually treated my first patient 2 months ago, and he's delighted with the results.
I'm sure like right now you're probably seeing something really good with that patient.
He is. He's seeing beautiful results. His skin quality is better. And what I really wanted to do was come here to Miami, learn from your distinguished panel of KOLs, and I've seen the results. I've watched their techniques at your amazing masterclass. So thank you for educating me. What would be the one thing that you'd like to say to our patients in Beaconsfield and Buckinghamshire and the UK about your product in terms of the quality?
Well, I think that's one of for us, we start with probably what's considered the highest quality PRP in the world. And it's because we use a special gel separation technology, and we use a pH neutral anticoagulant in there as well. And this makes it more comfortable, it makes it more safe for the patients. And it creates the highest platelet yield. So that's really important because they get as many platelets as they possibly can out of that blood sample that we take from them, and then we put that back into the filler we were talking about before. So it's really quality wise, it's the best way for them to go.
I know, and this is what I've learned from your masterclass yesterday as well. And I think our patients may not realize the geeky bits that we really look at, which is even the centrifuge, how it's spun down, the tube. But us doctors need to know about that.
Yeah, I think doctors and patients really don't realize how much benefit there is from their own blood and from the platelets especially. It's been well known, especially in orthopedics, but in aesthetics, I think it still hasn't really evolved to the point where it should be, especially given this demand that we're seeing more and more for really truly natural products.
Well, I wish you all the success as you go all over the planet with this. I'm really excited to bring it to one small island called the United Kingdom.
Small island over there, north of Europe, right?
Yes, but it's going to be huge all over the UK and certainly in Beaconsfield. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.